Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I set up a gift basket for my husband, who said he didn't want anything for his anniversary, but I went ahead and did it anyway. So I got for him that Chanel Blue, the Blue Day Chanel perfume, cologne, and then that new pack car scent. I also got a tie, picked up a tie from Michael Kors. Tweezer, he loves to have a nice tweezer. Nail clips, he also loves having his very own nail clips, so no one can mistake those. Just throwing in a rag in here, and these do not have to be expensive. You can put these together in a blink on a budget. I picked up underpants as well. I got those from Ross. What else do we have in here? I picked up socks. I picked up a hat. He loves to wear his hat, so I can't recall buying him a white one lately, so I'm putting a white one in there. V-neck shirts. He loves his Calvin Klein V-neck shirts. Those are super nice. They fit really well. Loves to write, always taking notes, so I got him those felt pens. And this is a surprise. I actually ordered this from Juby's Kitchen, all the way from New York. She came down here and she brought this for me, so he doesn't know that this is gonna be in here. So I got a basket, and I'm gonna put everything in this basket. Hopefully they can all fit, and then I'm going to shrink wrap with that plastic that you see me toss right there inside the basket. So to get started, I'm going to set the cake in, and then I'm gonna use the grass. I got those grass at Dollar Tree, and I'm actually reusing the grass because I bought him a gift before, and the grass were just sitting somewhere around the house, so I'm just reusing the grass. So I'm setting the cake in the middle, and then I'm gonna be adding the grass around the cake. Okay, so I started by adding the shirt, and then I realized the shirt is not gonna fit. It's too high. So I took them out, and I'm just gonna be adding them singles, and then I'm just gonna be adding the other stuff. So I am not gonna bore you guys with me adding the items. I'm just gonna let you enjoy the clip by speeding it up. Alright, so now that everything's in the basket, I want to add a little color. So I'm just going in and I'm just gonna be wrapping this in through and through and going in until I find a place for this. This is not something that you have to do. This is just me being extra. So this is definitely not something that you have to do. Okay, so next I am going to put the plastic over the basket. This is a shrink wrap plastic, so all you gotta do is get your blow dryer and blow away, and it will just make it nice and neat. So I'm just gonna put the basket inside the shrink wrap plastic. Okay, so at this point I am cutting off the excess, and I am saving it just in case I need to use that for a smaller project. And then all I'm gonna be doing now is tucking the pieces underneath the bottom, since you know the basket is gonna be sitting on its buttocks. So I'm tucking that, and then I'm gonna be using tape to kind of just tuck it under before I start blow drying. So next I am going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to put it on very high heat, and then I'm going to start blowing from the bottom just to kind of set the bottom. You want to put it on high, and then I'm going to start from the bottom, and I'm just going to blow. As you can see, it's done. I'm checking the bottom to see if it's all in place. Look how beautiful that is, and it looks professionally done too. So here's a close-up of what it looks like. Most of his favorite things. Thank you guys so much for watching on the day of the anniversary. This was the little presentation.
Thank you for watching the video. Love you guys.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.